In a world where truck bodies are not created equal, and there is only one upfitter that delivers the best. Together, let us look at the Redding platform body installed at Hartford Truck Equipment. The Redding platform body comes in different sizes and offers many different options to suit your specific needs. This platform body is 12 feet in length and 96 inches wide. It is intended to mount onto a dual rear-wheel cab chassis with an 84-inch cab-to-axle measurement. It has a smooth steel floor and a 42-inch headboard and laser-cut window for visibility. The 42-inch rack sides are removable, and the rear has the option to come with a drop-in or a hinge swing-style barn door rear racks. This truck comes with a standard tow combination pintle hitch, 7-pin trailer plug, and D-rings. This truck build also includes a TommyGate liftgate. The TommyGate railgate model comes with an aluminum or steel platform options in various sizes to meet your needs. This one in the video is steel. The railgate has a lift capacity of either 1,600 or 2,000 pounds. TommyGate offers many variations of this liftgate in various options, such as split cart stops, retention ramps, above bed travel, recessed light kits, self-close system, low profile fixed toggle control, and remote pendant control. TommyGate offers several different liftgate options to meet your truck and business needs. For more information on Redding platform or other truck bodies, please contact one of our knowledgeable sales team members today.